It's celebration time. So today is a fun Friday and today we are celebrating color of the month. So do you know which color of the month we are celebrating? Yeah, we are celebrating yellow color. Which color? Yellow color. So today I am here to show you one craft on yellow color. So are you ready? Do you know what we are going to make? We are going to make a bird, flying bird. So are you ready? So let's get started. So the material required to prepare a bird, you need a yellow chart paper and you need a bamboo stick. If you don't have the bamboo stick, you can use the broomstick. Then you need a Fevicol, sellotape, scissor, pencil and an eraser. Okay, so let's begin. So now you have to take this yellow chart paper and we have given you in A4 size. So you have to fold this paper from the middle. From the middle you have to fold it. Okay, you can see this. You have to fold it from the middle. Okay, and then here you have to draw a bird. You have to draw a bird. So let's see how to draw. So here first I am drawing the beak of the bird. Okay, and then here the front side of the bird, and then here the wing. Okay, and then here at the back side tail. Okay, like this you have to do it. So you can see here I have drawn your bird. Okay, so now you have to cut it. This out the body this bird you have to cut it. Okay, so together you have to take this paper. We have fold this paper. So together you have to cut it. So parents, please help children while cutting. Cutting should be done under the supervision of the parents only. Okay, properly, slowly you have to cut it. Together, okay, together you have to cut it. So you can see here after cutting we got it into two parts. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to take the one part and you have to fold it here from the beak. From the beak you have to fold it like this. Okay, slightly you have to fold it. Another part also you have to fold it same from the beak. You have to hold it from the beak here and you have to fold it. Okay, now here we have given you the if you don't have the bamboo stick, so you can use the broomstick also. So now here you have to paste it, the bamboo stick or a broomstick. Here little you have to, with the help of the sellotape, you have to stick it. So you have to take your sellotape and here at the bottom you have to stick it with the help of sellotape. Okay, like this you have to stick it. Properly you have to stick it. Okay, like this you have to stick it. After sticking the bamboo stick, now you have to apply here at the bottom. Here you have to apply the Fevicol. From here, from the starting from the beak, the folded portion, okay, on the folded portion, so you have to apply your Fevicol, okay. Then after applying the Fevicol, this another part of the bird, okay. So here you have to stick it like this together. Like this you have to stick it. Allow it to dry. Press it properly from all the sides, from all the corners. So now you can see here, your bird is ready. So now the next step, we need a straw. Okay, we have given you the straw also. So we need a straw, and from here, from the top, you have to cut it. You have to cut it from here, from the top, slightly you have to cut it. Like this you have to cut it, okay. I think 4 to 5 centimeter you can cut it. Like this you have to cut it. From here also. Like this. So you can see here, like this you have to cut it, okay. So now you have to take this bird along with the bamboo stick which we have stick it together. Now this straw, you have to, the bamboo stick you have to put it inside this straw. Like this you have to stick it, put it. And now here, you can see here, now here, the top portion you have to stick it on the wings. Here on the wings you have to slightly you have to stick it with the help of sellotape. Okay, with the help of sellotape you have to apply your sellotape, okay. So here you have to apply sellotape like this. Here slightly you have to apply it. So here you have to slightly you have to apply sellotape, okay. Now the another side, so here you have to apply another side. So now here our bird is ready, our flying bird is here ready. Just move your straw up and down, and your bird will start flying. See how my bird is flying. Yeah, I hope you will enjoy this activity while doing. Thank you.